Hope all of you are very fine. If you haven't subscribed our channel yet, then subscribe and hit the bell icon for more amazing videos like this. Number 11, Shakir Pasha Ailesi. The series is based on the true story of the Shakir Pasha family, an Ottoman dynasty shattered by scandal, only to give rise to some of the 20th century's greatest artists. In 1911, Shakir Pasha was a retired Ottoman commander and history writer living on Bucada when his elder son Jivad returned from Oxford with an Italian wife. They all lived together in the family villa, where the Bohemian Jivat was increasingly at odds with his military father, who disapproved of Jivat's wife and lifestyle. But Jivat's wife became infatuated with the older man, and he was unable to resist. So began a chain of events that tore the Shakir Pasha family apart, which is just the beginning of their remarkable story. In the decades to follow, Jiva Shakir became the fisherman of Halikarnassus, one of Turkey's most beloved writers. Meanwhile, his glamorous sisters developed into thoroughly modern women and fixtures of Istanbul's art scene. Number 10. Piazza. Everyone has a value in this market. What about the value? Number 9. Ashraf Ruya. Chaghay Ulusoy portrays Ashraf, a fearless man who has power, wealth, and everything, yet finds himself captive to a love he cannot name. Meanwhile, Dimit Ozdemir plays Nisan, a young musician who makes Ashraf's heart beat again for the first time since Ruya. Their story will touch viewers' hearts, brings back a long awaited love story to the screen. Orphaned at a young age, Ashraf was pushed into the world of crime by loneliness. Over the years, he became a dominant figure in this world. For him, orphans are the siblings he has replaced his lost family with. But this family exists in the heart of the criminal underworld, while Ashraf shoulders the heavy responsibility of leading underground organizations. His search for peace never ends. Then, unexpectedly, Nissan enters his life, sweeping him into an unpredictable whirlwind. Number 8. Sustali Chelan. Sustali Chelan tells the epic struggle of a woman trying to find her identity and rebuild her life in a male dominated world. Chelan, a woman with dreams, beauty, and youth, endures her unemployment and rude husband Najmi, whom she was forced to marry for the sake of her young son Yusuf. However, Chelan has a secret. She is secretly studying at a health vocational school and plans to escape once she graduates. Her only supporter is Najmi's elderly father, Vesi. Farhad cannot remain indifferent to Jilan's beauty and courage, but fate confronts Jilan with an even greater challenge. Her son Yusuf falls into the hands of an orphan trafficking mafia because of his father Najmi. At that moment, Jilan is no longer just a mother, she becomes a warrior burning with the fire of revenge. On this dark path, her greatest ally will be Farhat. Number 7. Bir Zaman Lar Istanbul. Bir Zaman Lar Istanbul brings to life a Korolu style epic of two young individuals standing against the oppressors of their era. The story follows Ali, portrayed by Jahangir Jahan, and Seher, played by Alina Bose, whose quest for justice begins in school hallways and transforms them into a duo that shakes the balance of Istanbul's criminal underworld. Ali and Seher, students from different faculties of the same university, cross paths during a debate competition, arguing the question, is it society or personal choice that drives a person to crime? Their shared ideals bring them together in a fight for love and justice against the mafia network that cast a shadow over Istanbul. These two young hearts will stand tall like Korolu. Number 6. Kral Kai Bedar se. The series follows Kenan Baran, a successful businessman in a troubled marriage with his wife Handan. His affairs force her to confront her self-worth while Kenan's life is turned upside down by Fadi, a young woman from a poor background. Their relationship leads to a downfall that changes everything, exploring the power struggle between control and freedom. Number 5. Kardi Landler. Hijran and Arif, a devoted couple married for 50 years, have dedicated their lives to raising their 5 children despite countless sacrifices and hardships, while Hijran's boundless love and Arif's unwavering principles held the family together. Their children's selfish choices and betrayals led to heartbreak and chaos. A long awaited reunion with their estranged son Onur takes a devastating turn, leaving the family shattered by loss and adversity. Arif suffers a heart attack. The family rushed to take Arif to the hospital, and tragically, in a car accident where Onur and his wife lose their lives and Arif falls into a coma. Rejected by their in laws, Hijran is abandoned in a nursing home while Chinar and the children are left to do fend for themselves. Hijran, her youngest son Chinar, and her grandchildren must navigate a harsh new reality as poverty and family conflicts intensify. Hijran and Araf's resilience and unconditional love become the foundation for their struggle to reunite their fractured family. In the face of betrayal and hardship, they strive to prove that no challenge is too great when it comes to the bonds of family. Number 4. Bashka Bir Gun, a Turkish remake of the British series Keeping Faith. The story tells the story of Nihir, a lawyer who takes a break from her career to care for her children. Her seemingly happy marriage with her husband Sardar takes an unexpected turn when Sardar suddenly disappears. Number 3. Zambili. The series will tell the sweet and bitter events experienced by 4 friends born and raised in a town called Zambili with an emphasis on friendship and brotherhood. Number 2. Jan Borju. The series follows Mehmet, a successful lawyer, as he strives to reconnect with his estranged daughter Dua following the death of his mother. Along the way, long buried secrets come to light, threatening to upend their lives. The delicate balance of the family is shattered when Jilal's hidden affair surfaces, creating turmoil. Meanwhile, his wife Handan, unaware of the unraveling around her, fights to keep the family together against all odds. Number 1. Sahib Sizzler. A story of 6 siblings Azize, Kamo, Zaliha, Fidan, Samit, and Balim, who, after suddenly losing their parents, struggle to stay united and survive. The roots of their tragedy trace back to their parents, Bala and Rifat, whose forbidden love began in a village in Mardain. Rifat, a teacher, falls in love with Bala, but Yavuz, the wealthy and obsessive son of Mardain's richest family, kidnaps her. Despite his abuse, Bala escapes with Rifat and they build a secluded life in the forest, raising 6 children in peace. However, Yavuz's revenge shatters their world when he finds and attacks them. Fleeing to Istanbul, the siblings face the dangers of the city while seeking refuge with Uncle Aslan, their father's trusted friend. The story highlights resilience as the older siblings are forced to grow up quickly to protect their younger brothers and sisters in the face of overwhelming challenges. This series was produced by OGM Pictures and this series was running on Star Productions. If you like our video, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more amazing videos like this.